Hello guys and welcome to the Impulsive Beauty. Today we are going over Boxycharm. Let's go ahead and take a look at what I got. We got a coupon for 20% off for, let's say, makeup eraser. 20% off from April 1st to May 8th. And the coupon code, it comes with a coupon code, I think. All right. This is what I got. And my settings is mostly makeup, little skincare. Honey Potion. This is a mask. I left mask off on my Boxycharm. And I got another one. All right, another mask. Lavido Away Replenishing Cream. Great. Now, I took tools completely off on my Boxycharm, which I got these right here. These are Opulent Beauty. And I got, I'm assuming, a highlighter of, I don't know what this would be for. It looks like a buffing brush and then a powder brush. Great. 3 out of 3 are not mostly makeup. Then I got the New Sticks Magnetic Lip. This is Waikiki Rose. This one, I was so disappointed. This is the Stila Glitter Eyeshadow. I have 3 of these and I bought them for $12 for 3. So disappointing to get this. Like, oh my god. Last thing I got in my Boxycharm was this Wonder Mile High Club. This one is a mascara. Let's see how the wand, I have not opened it. This is what the wand looks like. I love mascara. So this is the only good thing in this Boxycharm, I would say. The Boxycharm is $35 because it's the premium box. The Stila glitter one, the Sucks. I had to say that. The Sucks. It's in the Rose Gold Retro. Oh, by the way, this is what that is, Rose Gold. By the way, my sister got the exact same box. The exact same box. And she has mostly skincare, little makeup. And she got the exact same box. And she has completely different choices. She's got completely different style than me. And she's got mostly skincare, little makeup. And she got, I'm not kidding you, she's got the exact same box. So we cannot even trade. Anyway, that was my box. Okay, I have a little tip. If you are signing on to Boxycharm, you should probably do it at the beginning of the month. Do not sign on to Boxycharm at the end of the month because Boxycharm does not let you pick your item on the same month. They let you pick your item the previous month. So let's say that on the month of May, for you to pick your item for the month of May, you need to pick it in April. Like this month, I think it's on the 16th or 14th of April. No, today's the 14th. Anyway, like at the mid-April, you pick your item for May. So if you sign on at the end of April, you'll get your April Boxycharm, which you will not pick an item for. And then you will get your May Boxycharm, which you will not have a chance to pick an item for. And then it will be your June Boxycharm that you will have a chance to pick an item for. If you would want to at least pick one item out of your box, that could make your box worth it. Because I was not able to do that with my first Boxycharm or this one. So both of my $25 box was garbage. It's still sitting somewhere in my room. I have not even opened it or taken stuff out. My $35 premium box was garbage. Literally, this box has been sitting in my room unopened till today, till I decided to do a review on it. So if I was able to pick, I really wanted an eyeshadow, man. I love eyeshadow palettes. I'm sorry. Like, I wish I would have been able to pick one. So if I was able to pick an item, this box could have been worth it, you know? Like, so if you sign on the beginning of the month, your first box, you're not gonna be able to pick it. But then the next month, you will be able to pick that box. So it might be worth it, you know? Anyway, that's the rant from me. What do you guys get? Are you happy with your Boxycharm? Because the past 2 months, I have not been happy. I canceled my base box, but it's still coming in this Friday. So I really hope they don't send me a third base box because I canceled I canceled it, so, and I do not know what my base box is going to be. So that's really gonna be a surprise as well. Hopefully, I mean, I looked up the base box choices. Nothing on it looks like it's going to be good at all. So that's that. Anyway, if you like, subscribe. If not, I will see you later until the next video. Bye-bye.